Okay, going downhill to the holiday weekend. December 21st, 2023. Tyler, he's here. It's also the first day of winter, the shortest day of the year. Good afternoon to all of you, and welcome back to the channel. 1228 coming to you from Ladysmith along the Canadian National Superior Sub-Main with a video lined up for you. 519 is still on the Barron Sub-Main right now with the 5448 doing the honors. As 5417 saw its final day assigned for the 519 yesterday evening. Yesterday rather, because it was added on to yesterday's southbound woodtick of the L56481 of the 20th. And actually led on that, well, 5429 was isolated second, because the 5417 was actually set out at the spur that leads to Lakes Gas Propane before the 5429 got in position for the 5417 to get in front of the 5429, that is. So that was when it saw its last day for the 5417. It is now the second day now for the 5448 now. This will make its return back to Ladysmith. To finish up for the day. We'll have a southbound on the way. Signals are set for it on the Superior Sub-Main right now. Not sure what this is going to be, but we're going to find out soon. Not much in the way of northbounds, though, to be truthful enough to say, but we'll have the Rattler on the way. That will have a couple of DC variants to do the honors, but those are the later ones, because I don't think those are the DPU equipped ones. So we'll have the 2276 lead on the Rattler, while the 2309, I think that was, will run as DPU. So that will head on its way up to Prince George, British Columbia, Canada. So starting in Kirkyard in Gary, Indiana. Gate drop confirmed. Southbound has just showed up. Check them out on the roll by as we'll lean back again. Here we go. See what we got here. Solo unit on a manifest. K3 LA here on this one. C6M rebuild! Quad 3s! Are you kidding me? I was not expecting the quad 3s already, but why not? That's my next C6M rebuild, and from the second batch. Nice! What a moment! Finally get to see the quad 3s. Oh man, that is nuts. 342, 41 of the 19th, well, 20th rather, DPU ES44, 2830. M34241 of the 20th started in Symington Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. It's going to head bound for Kirkyard in Gary, Indiana. Moment, folks, I must say, here's the last M342 and ATX 162-67. How about that? And what a catch! And that will do it for the M342 41 of the 20th. And we'll do it for that new C6M rebuild of the Quad 3s to lead it solo. While the 2830 is DPU. We'll do it for this video at Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. I hope I'll see you along the main line. Tyler Hayes out.